بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے.
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق.
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا.
خلق الانسان من علق.
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی.
اقرأ وربک الاکرم.
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے.
الذی علم بالقلم.
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا.
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم.
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all the lovely students out there. Let's start the class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. This is class 6 and the second video lecture of English language teaching ELT, and I am yours ELT teacher. Now before starting the class, first you should know what would you have to study today. You will study about the channel beginners, and according to your timetable, first 2 days of a week, Monday and Tuesday, you have to study about the channel. So let's start our first unit. First unit, as shown by its name, nice to meet you. In this unit, what will you study? You study how to introduce the people with others and how to introduce to someone with others. So let's start our unit. Number 1, nice to meet you. And after meeting the someone, what will you say? Nice to meet you. And the reply comes, nice to meet you too. So let's start the first unit. Our first conversation is totally depends on these functions. The basic purpose of this conversation is introducing oneself and exchanging basic personal information, right? Spelling names shows when someone couldn't hear your name clearly, so spelling explains your name clearly. Getting someone attention, in this conversation we use the excuse me word for getting someone attention. Now what grammatical structure are used in this conversation? First, subject pronoun, I and you. I am Miss Alison Robinson. And verb B is what? Is, am, are, was, were. So basically simple present tense is used in this conversation, so that's why the simple present verb be, is, am, are used in this conversation. Affirmative form, affirmative shows the simple sentences like my name is, nice to meet you. And possessive adjective, possessive shows the possession of someone and something, and adjective shows the quality and disquality of someone. My name is, and yours, what is your name? These are the basic structures of your conversation. And in this conversation, 2 people are given and 2 characters are introducing themselves with each other. So let's start our conversation. I need my partner. There are lists of vocabulary. You know what is the vocabulary? Vocabulary shows a list of different words which are given in this conversation, which helps you to conversate with people. Now do you know what is the conversation means? Conversation means to communicate with someone and express your feelings and thoughts. This is called the conversation. And must watch our conversation method till the end of the video, and watch our expression how to introduce with others and ourselves. Yes, miss.
Excuse me, I am Alison.
Are you Alison Robson?
No, I am Alison Robinson.
Okay, excuse me, what's your surname?
It's Robinson.
How do you spell that?
Robinson.
Okay, I'm Ricardo Piotas.
Nice to meet you, Mrs. Portas.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you, miss. I'll call you again. Now, after conversation, let's come to the oral practice. In Xerox, I have given you the oral practice from page number 8 and page number 10 separately. But right now, I am telling you in this time the both conversation all together. So don't be so confused. You have to practice the both method, and you can use it the both method. These functions and structures are available in Xerox on page number 38 in week number 2. Now come to the oral practice. Oral practice, page number 8 and 9. There are 2 partners for your oral practice. Suppose this is one is Sarah Khan. Hello, I'm Sarah. I'm Sarah Khan. And what's your name? Ask with the other partner. John. I'm John. I'm John David. How do you spell your first name? Sarah, ask again, how do you spell your first name? John, it's John. Sarah. Okay, nice to meet you. John, nice to meet you too. Now this is the oral practice. You can do it with your partner with the help of Xerox solution and this one solution. Both are same, so you don't need to confuse it. You may use the both method. And what about the exercise on page number 8? What will you do in the book exercise? There is a column and there is a chart you have to complete on page number 8 after reading the whole conversation. What will you do in this column? There are 3 columns are given to you on page number 8 book. There are 3 columns. In first columns, first name, surname, and 2 pictures are given. First you will have to describe the first one picture, Miss Allison, and write here her first name, then write here the surname. Then after this you will have to describe the Ricardo picture and Ricardo person, write first name, and after this write his surname. And the third one column is for you. There is a question mark. What will you do? You will have to write it about yourself. First you will write your first name there and then write the surname. If your name begins with Sayyida like this, Sayyida Sarah Khan, so Sayyida is your first name, you will write here, and Khan is your surname, you will write in this column. Now this is the end of lesson number 1. Come quickly the lesson number 2. Okay, in lesson number 2, the whole conversation depends on these functions, consists on these function, and the main purpose of this conversation is introducing someone with others. There are 3 characters in this conversation and they are introducing with each other. The first function is that greeting people like nice to meet you, and introducing other, exchanging basic personal information like job, first name, surname, and apologizing. What structure are used in this conversation? That is the indefinite articles. You know there are 2 types of article, definite articles and indefinite articles, right? And there are 3 articles, a and the. Okay, if your noun begins with vowel, we use an articles, and if your noun begin with consonant, we use a article. Verb be are, is, am, are. So this conversation depends on the simple present tense, so the verb be are used, is, am, are in this conversation. First person singular and second person singular are used in this conversation. Affirmative sentences, as I told you, the simple sentences in which simple statement and thoughts are given and expressed. Negative sentences, in these sentences someone forbids and stops you for doing and saying and telling anything. Short and interrogative questions. Interrogative questions when you ask the question with someone and the short answers like nice to meet you, I am Collins. This is the basic functions of this conversation and structure of this conversation. Now here there is a list of vocabulary is given in this conversation, like first name, surname. There are different professions are given in this conversation, like doctors, nurse, and actor, actresses is so I invite to my partner that show how to converse and introduce with each other with different expressions. Yes, miss.
Hey Tom, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine, Jim. How are you?
Not bad.
Sally, Jim, this is Sally Winters, and Sally Winters, this is Jim Collins.
Jim, wow. Are you Jim Stellan?
No, I'm Jim Collins.
So you aren't an actor? What do you do then?
No, I'm a doctor.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you, miss, for giving me your time. Now come to the oral practice. What will you do in this oral practice? Oral practice on page number 10. In this oral practice, what will you do? Introduce this someone with other, right? Hello. Hello, Tom. How are you? Not bad. And you? Sarah. Fine, thanks. Now someone comes and you introduce with your partner. How would you introduce? Tom. Sarah. This is Jim. Jim. This is Sarah. Sarah, nice to meet you. And Jim, nice to meet you too. Right, this is the conversation on page number 10. There are three people are introducing with each other. First, Sarah. Hello, Tom. How are you? Tom, not bad. And you? Sarah, fine, thanks. Tom introducing his friend with Sarah. Sarah, this is Jim. Jim, this is Sarah. Sarah says, nice to meet you. Jim says, nice to meet you too. Now you have to practice with your partner and introduce with each other. Now come to the oral practice on page number 11. What will you do? This is a guessing game and you need two partners for playing this game. How would you play? Student A and B. We need two partners, and your first partner choose different cards are given in which different names and profession are written on this card. First partner will choose a card and don't tell the other partners, and other partner guess who the first partner is. This is a different cards in which the first character is Simon Wicks. Simon Wicks is a doctor. Timbull, another card. Timbull is an actor. Pat Morrison. Pat Morrison is a police officer. Is a police officer. And Sarah King, she is an actress. Leslie Niles, he is also a police officer. And the last one is Chris Johnson. Chris Johnson. He is also a doctor. So how would you ask the question for guessing the person and for guessing your first partner? Suppose the B partner and B student ask you the question, are you a doctor? Your partner will reply to you, yes, I am. And then He will ask again, what's your first name? What's your first name? Then he will reply to you, Simon. My first name is Simon. Then he will ask to you, are you a doctor? Are you a Simon Wicks? Are you a Simon Wicks, right? Then you will say, yes, I am Simon Wicks, a doctor. Yes, I am a Simon Wicks, a doctor. Then your partner will say to you, nice to meet you, and you will also reply, nice to meet you too. So you have to practice with your partner at your home. Nice to meet you. And what will you say? Nice to meet you too. This is the oral conversation and oral practice. In Xerox, I have given you not I am. But I am writing here, yes, I am. So don't be confused. Both have the same method. Both are the same method. You can apply and you can practice the both method. So this is the oral practice. Now come to the book exercise. Book exercise, what will you do on page number 10? This is a chart given you in which 3 columns. Okay. Right, on page number 10, a chart is given you. What will you do in this chart? After reading the conversation, you have to write about their character, about its character which are given in this conversation. First, you will have to write the Jim first name. Then you will have to write his surname. What have you learned in this conversation? Then write here his occupation. Then you will complete this chart after this conversation, after reading this conversation, and write about the second character. If there are no job description and no surname are given to you, what will you do? You have to just put the question mark there and complete this chart. Now, all work are given in your Xerox from page number 38. And what about the conversation and oral practice? Conversation and oral practice are also given in your solution in your Xerox, but in week number 3 on page number 70 to 72. In week number 3, page number 70 to 72. These are the oral practices, and conversation and book exercise are given in week number 3. You have to must copy this exercise. Now this is the end of today's lecture. Let's recap what have you learned today. You have to learn how to introduce the people with other and how to introduce the other with someone with different greetings, and book exercise you have to learn today. Now this is the end of the class, and let's come to the copy work. What will you do? The copy work, you have to copy the functions and structures on page number 38 in week number 2. You have to copy it from here, and now come to the homework diary and make sure whatever work you will do from your Xerox, you have to complete it and copy it in its actual portion in your copy, as I told you in my previous class. Now the homework diary, according to my lecture, introduce your friend with your family. Introduce your friend with your family. and homework from your Xerox is practice and copy conversation. Copy both conversation from page number 8, from page 8 and 10 from your book channel. If you don't have a book, so don't be confused. The both conversation and oral practice are given you in your Xerox, so you have to must copy from there. Now it's time to me to go. I am switching off from here with this beautiful quote, a smile should be a regular thing, so keep smiling. We will meet you again with new topics and continue this unit. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. And I forgot to tell you about the copy. You have to submit your copy on 15th of August. So make sure you have to complete your work till the given date. That is the 15th of August. You have to complete your given task and copies will be submitted on 15th of August 2:20. Now it's time to me to go. We will continue this unit and this topic in my next class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.